Morning all, welcome to Aranyavas in Jaipur and the beautiful Manpur Machari Hills. And there's the ridge line right there. It's about 250 meters, 300 meters as the crow flies to the hills from here. It's a very nice short walk as I walk into Aranyavas. It's been 3 months since my last visit and I'm doing a quick walkthrough update. So we still have building materials drying around, part of the wall. The driveway is pretty much done, as you can see, nice sandy driveway. Will be finished at a later date. And as we approach the property, there's been some changes. Debris has been cleared. Some of the buildings have been finished. There's been progress on each little area. The walking path is coming to shape. It's built with red gravel. The idea is to give some wheelchair access as well. It's the beginning. The left is the parking lot, or to be the parking lot. And we have the pond on the right hand side under the tree as we approach. Pond is pretty much complete. It's holding water fairly well. It's not full yet. We've been using the water to irrigate much of the stuff. And here we go. Walk through the west side of the property, and we come up to the first staff quarters. Pretty much complete. Needs to be just finished, and so on. And there's the pond again back there. So the levels have been done as well. As you can see, the elevations are pretty much complete. It's now on 3 separate levels. The housing is raised a little bit further. That's the water tank structure in the distance. It's about 25,000 liter capacity at the top, and 2 large storage areas below for the future. Now we come up to the center of the property. On my left here, where the path ends, is where the primary cottage is supposed to come up. The foundation digging began yesterday, and pretty much looks pretty good so far. We have Parag and Praveen. This is the foundation. As you can see, 3 different elevations looking over to the pond. So our tree line survived pretty well. 3 months since they've been planted. The trees are okay. We lost a few along the way, but definitely looks like they will make it. There's our irrigation canal. We tested it yesterday. Water is running excellent. Begins at the water tank, runs all the way around the property, watering our trees, and carries on all the way down, all the way to the pond. That's the idea. You can look at our trees from here. Lines of trees that have been planted on both sides. They look pretty good. So the hugel beds have been completed, raised up, shored up, and planted as well with just an activation crop. But things are looking absolutely splendid. So we have some 4 keyhole beds here, and they are currently growing spinach. Beautiful spinach. Absolutely amazing quality, completely organic, and some coriander. They've been planted mixed crops. Some of the stuff has sprouted, some not. But so 4 keyhole beds. We come here to another set of 4 more keyhole beds, also with spinach and some summer veg. There's some onions, spring onions in here. There's some tomato plants. Again, another 4 keyhole beds. Then we come to some pizza beds. As you can see, these as well have been planted with some pak choi. The insects are loving the area. We've got a nice ladybird there. They do pest control for us. Another ladybird. There we go. So yeah, Looks pretty good. Here we have some rectangular beds as well. These are raised hugel beds. We still have to set the drip irrigation and the watering systems. Water supply is being worked on, electricity as well. The trees were trimmed when we were building. Now they'll start to sprout new leaves again. Here we come to an open hugel bed, which is not raised, but it's been hugeled underneath. And we have onions in a row here, as well as some bees and some other things. And there's the water tank, 25-30 feet up. A couple of storage areas. Trees are in good shape. Canal is good. So far so good. Things look excellent. The view is as epic as ever. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good week.